Hello students, this is Shubhrata Ghosh. Now I will be taking class on one of the important measure of central tendency, that is median. From this class we will try to understand what is median, what is the importance of median, when we will use this median, and finally we will see how median is calculated. As we know, central tendency has three measures. One is mean, second one is median, and third one is mode. I have made 8 videos on mean, where I have covered all the areas of mean. But today my whole class would be on calculation of median. Before we go to the calculation, we will see what median is. Actually, median is a simple measure of central tendency. And it can be used to determine an approximate average value of the observation. Moreover, this median value separates the total number of observation or data sample between higher half and lower half of the observation. Now, median, actually what the median is? Median means middle. It means the number which is in the middle of the whole observation is called median. Or in short, we can say median is a middle number in a group of number. It may also represent the middle value. When all the observations are arranged or sorted in an ascending or descending order, the middlemost value is the median. Now we will move to the method of calculating the median. Now if we closely look at the method, we will see that to get the median value, what we have to do? Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. It means we have to sort the number from small number to large number. Or you can say we can arrange the data set or observation in ascending order or descending order. Then what we have to do? Then we have to find the middle value. If the total number of observation is odd, then we will get one middle value. And if the number of observation is even, then what we have to do? We have to take the mid value of this two middle value. It means what we have to do? What we have to do? For the even numbers, we will add the middle numbers, then we will divide it by 2. And this formula will only be applicable in the case of ungrouped data. Okay. Now look at the method. Method is first what you have to do. First step is arranging the numbers from the smallest to largest, then finding the middle number. If the number of observation is odd, then middlemost number will be the median, and if the number of observations are even, then we will get two middle values. We will take the average of these two values. That average value will be the median. Now we will see the example how a median is calculated. Now see the example 1. What is given? Find the median of the following numbers: 4, 14, 3, 35, 11, 27 and 48. These numbers are given. We have to find the median. Then what we have to do? The numbers are given. What we have to do? We have to arrange the number from smallest to largest. What is the small number here? It's 3. Then 3, then 4, then 11, then 14, then 27, then 35, then lastly we get 48. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So now what will be the median value? Suppose we will take the middlemost value. This side we cancel this and this. This side cancel this, cancel this. This side cancel this, cancelling this. What is the middlemost value? This is the 14. 14 is the middlemost value. Now we can say median is 14. Okay. In this way you can calculate the median. Problem is what? Problem is given 4, 14, 3, 35, 11, 27, 48. Now I have arranged the numbers in ascending order or smallest to largest. Then I found the middlemost value. This middlemost value is the median. Now we will move to the example 2. What is given in the example 2? Here many numbers are given. Now we have to find out the median. Now what we have to do? We are arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. Now what we will do? We will arrange the number from smallest to largest. What is given here? 2 is the smallest number. 2, 2, now 3. How many 3? 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again it is odd number. We will get one middlemost value. Now cancelling both sides. 2 this side, this side. Now 2 cancelling, 8 cancelling, 3 cancelling this side, 7 cancelling, 3 here, 6, 3 this side, 5. What is remaining? Middlemost value. This is the middlemost value. This is the result is the median is 4. Okay, now understood what I have done? I have arranged the number from smallest to largest, then we cancel from both the sides one by one what is the medianmost value, and that is median. Similarly, we have another example. Here we will see how to calculate the median. Now problem is given 25, 19, 18, 28, 27, 21. These are the numbers. We have to find the median of it. Now if we arrange the number, same process, we will arrange the number from smallest to largest. What is the smallest number here? The smallest number is 18. Then 19. Then 21. Then 25. Then 27. Then 28. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now here we have even numbers of observation. Now we'll see how to calculate the median of this type of observations. Same process we will do. 18 cancel, 28 cancel. Here 19 cancel, it is 27 cancel. These are the two middlemost value. But two values cannot be median. So what we have to do? When the number of observation is even, in that case we have to take the mid value of this middle numbers. What is the number here? Therefore median is what? 21 plus 25 divided by 2. Is what? It is 46 by 2 equals to 23. Is the median value? Median is 23. Okay, understood? Now see the problem. Understand? Now moving to another problem. Problem 4. Find the median of this number. Here this is the number 12, 16, 12, 16, 14, 14, 17, 9. How will you calculate the median? This is the number given. Now I have arranged the number from smallest to largest to save the time. It is 9, 12, 14, 14, 16, 17 is arranged. Now we have to find the median. What is the? We cancel both sides. 9, here 17, here 12, here 16. What is remaining in the middle? This is 14 and 14. Since there are two middle values, then we will take the average of this. The middle value will be the middle value will be the median. Median will be 14 plus 14 by 2 equals to 28 by 2 equals to 14. Therefore, the median is 14. In this way, we can calculate the median of a ungrouped data or the discrete number. But for the continuous series or the observation having the class interval, in that case different formula will be applied. And I'll make another video on how to calculate the median of the observations having continuous series or having class interval. I think you have understood the class. Lastly, I would say stay at home and stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.